Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Food Network Kitchen on Fire TV step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Fire TV device. Make sure your Fire TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen if you're not already there. Use the remote to scroll to the search icon in the top left corner. Type Food Network Kitchen in the search bar. Select the Food Network Kitchen app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Food Network Kitchen app. You will be prompted to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, look for an activation code on your screen. Next, grab a web-enabled device like your smartphone or computer. Open a web browser and go to foodnetwork.com/activate. Enter the activation code displayed on your Fire TV. Click Submit to link your account. Return to your Fire TV, and your app should now be activated. Explore the app to enjoy cooking classes and recipes at your fingertips. If you encounter any issues, ensure your device is updated and try restarting the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.